In both chapter together, 8 MCQs, 7 to 8 MCQs, and for JEE main 4 to 5 MCQs. इश्यू का था क्या कुछ ऐसा रोटेशनल मोशन में MCQ?
हाँ सर, वो बॉल रोटेट करके प्लेन में ऊपर जा रहा है, उस पे था।
तो डिफिकल्ट था वो,
इंक्लाइन प्लेन।
नहीं हाँ, तो इजी था, ऊपर गया नीचे गया, तो हमने प्रूव किया ना वो हाफ mv स्क्वायर 1 प्लस k स्क्वायर अपॉन r स्क्वायर। चलो मैं
हाँ सर,
एक बार ना हमेशा मैं लिस्ट ऑफ फार्मूला आपसे पूछूंगा, क्योंकि रिवीजन में सबसे पहले व्हाट आई शुड नो और वी ऑल शुड नो इज फार्मूला। आर्यन पुरंदरे, Aryan,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me 3 kinematical equations in translation motion? This one is very simple. You are saying 3 kinematical equation.
V equals to U plus AT.
Correct. V equals
to UT
AT.
plus half AT square.
S equals to UT plus half AT square.
And V square equals to U square plus 2AG.
2AS. AG नहीं, 2AS.
Sorry, with gravity.
Plus 2AS. This all are kinematical equation in translational motion. Huh? I want to convert this in rotational motion. Manasvi, you know conversion factor, how we can convert by comparing? Swarno, do you know? हाँ बोलो, चलेगा?
Sir,
this will become omega 2. I'm writing 1 and 2. You can write omega not omega also. मैं 1 2 use करता हूँ.
Omega 2 equals to omega 1 plus alpha t.
Beautiful. And then next one.
Then theta equals to omega 1 t plus half alpha t square.
Correct. Absolutely correct. दूसरा.
Omega 2 square equals to omega 1 square plus 2 alpha theta.
Perfect. All of you write down this 3 lists of formulae. Translation to rotational, how we can convert. Kinematical we have done. Written, na? Yes, everybody has written this.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is time period of second hand, minute hand, hours hand, Earth's rotation and Earth's revolution? Because they can ask you the angular speed of second hand, minute hand, time hand, hour hand. So I require time period.
Sir, 2 pi by 60.
नहीं, 2 pi by 60 तो ओमेगा के लिए होगा ना. मैं टाइम पीरियड पूछ रहा हूँ. टाइम पीरियड ऑफ सेकंड हैंड
60
is 1 minute, which you are rightly saying 60 seconds, and minute hand is 1 hour 3600 seconds. आपके घर पे कभी घड़ी बंद पड़ा है क्या? किसी का घर पे कभी घड़ी बंद पड़ती है? तो मैंने तो सुना है कि दिन में 2 बार वो भी करेक्ट टाइम बताता है, बराबर ना? मतलब 12 आवर्स के बाद कोई घड़ी करेक्ट टाइम बताता है. 10 बजे बंद पड़ गया, फिर से 10 बजेगा तो करेक्ट टाइम होगा ना? Yes, okay. So 12 hours is time period of hours and which are 12 into 3600 seconds. Earth's rotation is 24 hours. So it is 24 into 3600 seconds. Earth's revolution 365 days, which will become 365 into 24 into 3006. Copy to this. थोड़ा फास्ट करो. See, these revisions you want or you don't want? Only test you all want. हेलो, सही है ना? ठीक है. नहीं तो मतलब आपको ऐसा नहीं बर्डन होना चाहिए सर जबरदस्ती रख रहे रिविजन. मार्च मंथ का नया पैकेज रहेगा अपना, मीन्स न्यू मेथड where I will include now test of theory papers also.
Done, sir.
What is speed v in terms of omega?
R omega.
R omega. In vector form, what is relation? Arya, can you say in vector form? Hello, Arya, can you say in vector form? Yes, Arya, in vector form, can you say? It is omega bar cross r bar. आपने खाली हेलीकॉप्टर चालू किया, आंसर बोला ही नहीं कुछ. Fourth. So v bar is omega bar cross r bar. In UCM, we have change in speed or there is change in velocity?
Change in velocity.
Velocity.
Yes. What is magnitude of change in velocity in UCM? Given by dv equals to 2v sine theta by 2. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is formula for average acceleration? Total change in velocity. जब भी एवरेज पूछा ना तो उसका फॉर्मूला के आगे टोटल लगा देना. Change in velocity upon time, you will write it total change in velocity upon total time. Now copy this one, third, fourth, fifth.
Done, sir.
What is acceleration in UCM called? What is acceleration in UCM called as?
Angular acceleration.
No, no, angular तो zero होगा. Radial और centripetal.
Yes.
गलती से भी angular मत बोलना, वो तो non UCM हो जाएगा. In UCM, circular motion is called as radial or centripetal. It is given by radial acceleration is v square by r or omega square r or v omega. And in non-UCM, we have two acceleration. In non-UCM, there are two accelerations, radial and tangential. Radial and tangential. That is, radial acceleration is v square by r or omega square r or v omega or rate of change of speed. Sorry. V omega. And tangential is r alpha or rate of change of speed. Okay, copy this, then net acceleration and its angle we'll see.
Done, sir.
So net acceleration in non-UCM, net acceleration comma A will be root of radial square plus tangential square because they are perpendicular to each other. Now this is tangential acceleration, this is radial. By parallelogram law of vector addition, the diagonal from same starting point is called resultant. If it makes angle theta with radial, then we can say tan theta is opposite side AT upon AR. But if you write angle made with tangential, then it will come AR upon AT. What is formula for centripetal force? M into A, which is same as mv square by r, or you can write m omega square r, or you can write mv omega. Right. Yeah. Yes, done. Yeah, done.
Yes, sir.
See, whenever it is given, एक ऐसा टॉय कार्ड का सम आता है, याद है क्या आप लोगों को टॉय कार्ड वाला सम? If toy card is tied to the string, rotated with speed omega 1, then it elongates up to length 2a, and when speed is further increased to omega 2, it elongates to 3a. So whenever it is problem of elongation wala type, then always there will be restoring force acting which will create necessary centripetal force. So I can say F restoring is K into elongation. This will provide necessary centripetal force m omega square r K into elongation. Now r means length at that instant and elongation means difference. Okay. Good evening, sir. ठीक आहे सर, ठीक. थोडा सर थोडा लवकर होऊ शकतो का? माझं एक लेक्चर अडकलंय. किती वाजता तुम्ही म्हणाला? 11:15ला. ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे. या हा 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 ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे. नो प्रॉब्लेम, नो प्रॉब्लेम. या ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे. नो 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 प्रॉब्लेम. पण मला फक्त 12:30ला तुम्ही रिलीज करा बस तेवढंच. ठीक है. हाँ हाँ यस 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 बेटर. Oh yeah, done. M omega square r is K into elongation. Now if I consider this case, here m omega 1 square r is 2a and elongation is 2a minus 1a. And in second case, m omega 2 square radius is 3a but elongation is 3a minus a. Will you able to remember this logic? Hello? This logic in toy card you will be able to remember?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Please write down so that when you solve the sum, toy card word आया तो आपको click हो जाए what I am talking about. Can we move ahead? Can I rub this?
Yes.
If it is problem of rotating wheel and coin, So will the radius of both be same or different of rotation? Suppose wheel radius is r and rotation of this will be whatever its radius smaller. They are not same, huh? So to confuse you, they can say you the coin is placed at distance of 3 centimeter on the wheel of radius 6. So don't take 6, uska radius 3 lena hai. The coin will just slip if frictional force becomes equal to centrifugal force. So deal this as mu mg equals to m omega square r. Therefore, omega will become root of mu g by r. Please draw this diagram and copy till this. Completed? Draw. Hello, completed?
Yes, sir.
Now see this one question I have actually drawn diagram of. Mass small m is tied to the string which passes through the hole at the center and carries capital M mass at the free end. What must be the angular speed omega so that this body neither falls nor this body moves away? So neither this falls nor rises. What will be that speed? So can I set equilibrium mg must be equal to m omega square r?
Yes.
Just draw this diagram and write this condition.
Done, sir.
A bucket full of water is revolved in vertical circle. Then what will be the speed so that water does not spill? Water will not spill means will not fall. Water will not spill if mg is m omega square r. That means weight is balanced by centrifugal force. So omega is root of g by r. What is safe speed on horizontal curved road. Safe speed on horizontal curved road. Root of mu rg. And safe speed on banked road is root of rg tan theta. Theta is called angle of banking. Now copy till this.
Done, sir.
Safe speed on banked road with friction is V equals to root of Rg minus plus tan theta upon 1 minus minus tan, right? Yeah, written. Hello, written this.
Yes.
Now for conical simple pendulum, it performs horizontal circular motion of radius r. L is length of string suspended by angle theta, height h. So first I can say R square plus H square equal to L square. Second, H is L cos theta. Third, R is L sin theta. Fourth, tension T equals to mg cos theta, which is mg cos theta is adjacent side H upon R. Therefore, it is mg H, adjacent side is H upon R. Tension is mg cos theta. T cos theta equal to mg. Generally, they give in that format. This is mg. This will be T cos theta. Let tension be T. Therefore, T cos theta equal to mg. That means T is mg upon cos. Mg upon cos is H upon L, which will be mg L upon H. That is mg L upon root of L square minus R square. Fifth, centripetal force is nothing but P sin theta. So it will be mg upon cos theta into sin theta, which is mg tan theta. That will be mg tan theta is opposite side R upon H. So equals to mg R upon root of L square minus R square. Sixth point. Time period T is 2 pi root of L cos theta upon G. So many things you have to remember for conical simple pendulum. Write down full.
Done, sir.
local circular motion. At bottom, minimum velocity is root of 5 gr and tension is 6 mg. At horizontal, velocity is root of 3 gr and tension is 3 mg. At top, velocity is root of gr and tension is 0. At any point, V is root of u square minus 2gh and tension is either mg cos theta plus mv square upon r, or tension is m by r u square minus 3gh plus r. Difference in tension at top and bottom is always 6 mg. So suppose velocity minimum is root 5 gr, but they give root of 6 gr. Then how much it is extra? If they give root 6 gr, what is extra? 1 gr is extra? Hello? 1 gr is extra?
Yes.
This 1 gr you'll put everywhere. So this will become root 4 gr, and for tension put 1 mg. So at bottom root 6 gr, then tension will become 7 gr. Horizontal root 3 gr plus gr 4 gr, tension will become 4 mg. This will become mg and this will become 2 mg. So this, please remember it. They give velocity more than root of 5 gr. Right till this?
Done, sir.
Total energy in vertical circular motion is 5/2 mgr. If we want change in kinetic energy, find change in potential energy, because this will be easier. I want change in kinetic is same as change in potential. So if you find change in potential, it will be mg into height. Finding height is easier than finding the kinetic energy with velocity. If a body slides down from height h and makes one loop of radius r, then any of you know what is that height? Any of you are remembering what will be that height to complete loop at least once? Yes, Ishika, do you know what should be height?
Sir?
What will be this height from where it should fall?
Siddhantani.
So when it comes from height h to the bottom here a, minimum velocity it should have root of phi gr, then only it will complete circle. So can I say loss in potential at that bottom should become gain in kinetic energy at that bottom? So this is mgh equals to half m u, which is 5g r ka square, m cancels. So I can write gh equals to half of 5gr, gg cancel. So height is 5/2r. ये सब याद रहना है, right? 4. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So today we stop here. Monday I will still